Number 7, Josee Campbell.
All right. Thank you for that performance, Jose. You have a good pop-sounding voice, and it was nice to hear a dance tune, you know, like a song with kind of a beat for change. It was cool. I'm thinking, how long have you been singing? Just on and off? Yeah, just keep doing it with sing along with the records. And the main area of improvement with a lot of people, especially, I guess, people of your age, is the breathing part, the getting into singing from your chest more, because it sounds good. What you've got, like what you're working with, is good. So thanks a lot.
Hey, Josee. Hi. What I really enjoy is there's no trying to lean in to hear what you're singing. You actually have very good projection. You really kept the beat vocally of the song, so that was really nice. I like that song pick too. It was a really good beat. However, I know that you possess an entertainer inside of you that can rock out with your movements to a song with a beat like that. I see you backstage and you're just that kind of rocker girl. You've got a personality that you're shielding from your audience. Really, I would say keep developing that. The personality that you have at home and off the stage, bring that to the stage because that's your asset. So keep up the good work, Josee. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, judges.